Bugun Amerikada motoga vojdeniyadan o'tish uchun test topshirgani DMVga keldim. Registratsiyadan o'tib, ekzamen qanaqa bo'lishi bilan tanishib chiqdim. Instruktor bizlarni mototsikllarimizni inspection qildi. Navbat menga kelganda, men oyog'imda Crocs bo'lganligi uchun inspektor Crocs'imni sport rejimga qo'yishni so'radi.
Did they notice these?
Who?
The people who checked you in, did they notice those?
No? If you want, I can take that out.
No. All right. As long as the straps are on, I'll let you test, okay?
All right.
My name's Examiner Walter.
Muhammad,
Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Eng qizig'i jigarlar inspektor bilan tanishganimizda ismimni Muhammad deb aytdim. Noto'g'ri eshitdimi yoki e'tibor bermadimi? Mahmud deb chaqiryapti ekzamen paytida.
Do
Cool.
you have any questions, sir?
No question.
All right. Go ahead and start it up.
Okay.
I'll count you down, okay?
O'zi testda 4 ta manevr qilish bo'ladi. Birinchisi zigzag qilish. Manevrdan keyin ekzaminer uzr so'radi. Bu seni xavfsizlik uchun so'radim. Noto'g'ri tushunmadi, to'g'ri tushuntirib qo'ydi.
Thank you.
And I do apologize for giving you guff about the Crocs. Ever had somebody wear Crocs on a motorcycle before? It's not technically a policy violation, so I'm testing you with them. It's just I just don't want you hurting yourself. That's all.
All right.
Ikkinchi manevr sekin yurib chiziqlardan chiqib ketmasdan burilish kerak edi. Chiziqlardan chiqib ketmadim, lekin oyog'im yerga tegib ketdi bir marta. Uchinchi manevr tez yurib belgilangan joyda xavfsiz
This
to'xtash
next
kerak
drill, this is
edi.
going to be your half.
Oxirgi manevr tez yurib to'siqlarga tegmasdan o'tib ketish kerak edi. Va oxiri brat ismim Mahmud emas, Muhammad dedim.
Mahmoud, that is acceptable.
Oh, thank you.
9 points. That is a pass. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, Mahmoud. For the first year in Ohio, you have to wear your helmet, okay?
Mm-hmm.
After the first year, we can't enforce it, but please keep that thing on your head. It don't do you
Okay.
any good if it ain't there. Take that. Go ahead, park your bike up the hill. Take this paper inside to the station. Give it to my team. Put the scores in. Then release it to get your endorsement, okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure working with you.
You have any friend whose name is Mahmoud?
I've traveled around. I've traveled around a little bit. I've been to Syria. I've been to Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Did a little bit in Pakistan. And I've been to a little bit in North Africa.
Nice, nice. Mahmoud is also a Muslim name, but my name is Muhammad. No worries. I'm just letting you know. It's
Oh,
like
man.
Prophet's name, you know.
Muhammad, I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries. Just letting you know.
Okay. I assumed it was Mahmoud because of the K there. So it's
No?
Muhammad.
No, just correcting you for the future.
I'm sorry for.
No worries, man.
No respect was intended.
And-
No disrespect was intended. I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries. My just like followers will ask why he's calling you Mahmoud. I'm just correcting you, you know.
I appreciate that, sir. I do apologize.
No worries,
Thank
man.
you.
Thank you so much.
All right, Mohammed. I get that right.
All right.
Okay, Mohammed, take that inside. Give it to my team. They'll
All
get
right.
you out of here, okay?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
great
Thanks
day.
so much. Thanks so much. Congrats, man. I passed it too. Thank you. Thank you.
Be safe out there.
I will. Be safe too. Xo'sh, jigarlar, vojdeniyadan o'tib oldik, Xudoga shukr. Endi bemalol yursak ham bo'laveradi. Oldin bemalol yuruvdim. Endi 100% legalni bemalol yursak bo'ladi-da. Endi zavtrak qilamiz. Let's go.
Was that latte for you?
Nice.
Can I grab anything else?
Thank you so much.
Alright, yeah, you can go.